Hi friend, this is your Dr. Iqbal and today I'm excited to share with you the unboxing of Magic Machine. And this Magic Machine is known as Microsoft Surface Pro 6. This is beautiful, gorgeous, and these are its specifications. And you got this type cover also. This is nicely packed. So let's start opening. Tear it from here. Remove the top slowly. Smart, slim. The back is gray. I love gray. Power cord, adapter, yes. Book, very handy, so you can refer it frequently. Back is very beautiful. Yes, you can feel it. External display, port, USB, and the power. These are basic configurations. Durable, it can be stretched to any limit. You can extend the hard disk. And this is a slot for SD card. This is the type cover, the gray one, is very thin. And you can feel the softness. Not that loose, it's very tight. So you have to really pull it if you want to separate it.